Kim Pao nalantad ang relasyon sa ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Mga ka-Star Talk Spot, it's official, Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino, or as we all know them, Kim Pao, have finally gone public with their relationship at the ABS-CBN Ball 2025. Hard launch na nga, no more hiding, no more guessing, silang dalawa na, and the red carpet was their runway to confirm it. Grabe ang kilig, mga beshies. Si Kim, stunning in a custom gown, while Paolo, looking dashing in his tux, walked hand in hand, sabay ngiti, sabay tingin, like the perfect couple they are. Hindi na sila nagtakip-takip pa, and for the first time, walang hesitations, walang pakyut. It was all about pure, unfiltered love. Mga netizens, lahat naloka, mas mahigit, Kim Pao is real. I can't believe this moment is finally here. Grabe, sina Kim at Paolo, sila na nga. Ang saya-saya. I can't handle the kilig. Hard launch na. OMG. And when asked about their relationship status, both Kim and Paolo were all smiles, with Paolo saying, "It's obvious, isn't it?" Ang hint na yun, mga ka-Star Talk Spot, nagsabi na ng lahat. Now, it's not just the fans who are celebrating. Kim and Paolo finally took the leap, no more keeping things under wraps. They've shown the world, Kim Pao is here to stay. So mga ka-Star Talk Spot, anong say ninyo sa Kim Pao's public reveal? Are you shipping them for real now? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all the latest celebrity gossip, only here on Star Talk Spot.